and behold, for today and tomorrow we will be riding in the Beast. Cinderella's older, bigger, tougher brother. I think I hyped it up in the previous video, but it's so nice to have 480 horses instead of 440. The main reason is just the sound of her. Just sounds so much more like a truck. No offence, Cinderella. And I'm sure you'll understand in a minute. Now don't get me wrong, I love Cinderella to bits. But if I had a chance to get in a bigger engined one, I'd maybe definitely take them up on the offer. And she pulled it well yesterday. She does pull it well. But nothing like the Beast will. It's like we're empty. Now I did check the oil and water and everything because it's not my regular ride. I do check the oil and water in Cinderella as well anyway, but it just sounds of more power. I know it's not a V8, but you can just feel it. It's slightly different inside. I've put the camera slightly more down so I can hopefully show you the dashboard as we're going along. It's slightly different in terms of the cupboards. We've actually got a cup holder that folds out the dash, and it seems to be doing quite well. It holds the cup. Again, it won't hold a normal cup, but you know. This isn't a bus lane until 7 o'clock in the morning, in case anyone's wondering. But yes, how we all doing today? We're starting off with our trailer load of bricks that we picked up in yesterday's video, or the previous video I should say. Even the exhaust brake sounds meatier. I like it. I don't think I'd enjoy moving into this one though, because it is a little bit worse in terms of a layout at the front on the dash. Majority of it's the same. Oh. You can hear all the turbines and turbos and whistles as you're going along. And she's got a lovely high-pitched kind of dual tone. Oh. You won't get sick of that noise in a hurry, would you? A nice new Parcel Force Royal Mail truck. So yes, what are we going to be doing? We're going to be heading over to Little London now to unload these bricks, and then it's a short hop around to the house factory. currently 5:05. We're going to be getting over there for around past. It's even noisier inside here, so it'd be better. It'd be better immersion for you guys as well if we had something like this. Come on, Mr. Dairy Crest. Always gets me how they can drive with these crates just on the flatbed like that with the sides open. There's a tiny lip about this high off the bottom of the trailer or the bed. Yeah, they're allowed to just roam around like that with crates stacked 2 or 3 high. Alright, so we've managed to utilise the high ab in front of us to clean the front of the windscreen, and it looks a bit better than it was. We won't find out till we get some glare off the sun on, but I'm sure it'll be alright. And we're going to use the remainder of the cockpit shine to get the beast a bit more worthy of me being in here, because the dust is rather thick, and it's no fault of anyone's. It's just the fact that it's not a regularly used vehicle, so it's just kind of the black sheep, the spare truck, so to speak, that everybody jumps in now and then. So it's not used daily, therefore it hasn't got someone like myself inside it sorting it out. And as much of a tough guy the beast is, he still loves being rubbed around the ears. Look, oh, he's a softie, isn't he? Doesn't he just love that? Hey, hey, you're not such a bad man after all, are you? What the hell am I going on about? Well guys, I must admit, I expected to be out of here a lot sooner than we actually are going. It's 8 o'clock. I could have swore the gods had found them to get them to come in a little bit early so we can hurry up and get out of here. But it seems that wasn't the case. Or someone didn't get the memo, one or the other, I don't know. Either way, we're out of here, we're empty. It's time to get the beast warmed up again. Spoke to this lovely chap from BM in Ireland. He's got a lovely Renault, I don't know whether they're all called T-cabs, I think it is. It's a Renault T-cab. And he's not long started to work for BM from Ireland. That was weird, it missed the splitter. Anyway, we gave him a bit of a helping hand this morning, letting him know where to go to unload. I did send him up the top, and it looks like they've moved him back down the bottom, so apologies for that. Alright. We are all strapped up and good to go. It's 9:30 now. I'm not sure, but I think this is the 9:30 booking, so we are running late. But that's no fault of our own. We're just coming to the site, and I could have swore. No, it's all changed again since last time. Now I messed my line up coming here, so we've had to touch the curb, unfortunately. Last time we came down there and unloaded, but as you can see, the houses are all finished now. Oh.
CJACEY, how are ya?
Alright, Kev. Yes, I'm... No. Well, I've just got to a site now. Alright, catch you in a bit, buddy. Ta-ra, ta-ra. Can't believe after all this time, the answer to my dash cam problem has been literally sat in front of me. Welcome to Poo Cam, everybody! Poo Cam! Do your thing! Oh dear. We're on the site now. Had to move a little bit of the fences just to make sure we didn't catch any of them. Then we just got to follow the guy around.